Now the product rule. Derivative of f of s times g of s equals f prime of s times g of s plus f of s times g prime of s, or f of s times g prime of s plus g of s times f prime of s. Now, let's take a look at example number 1. Find the derivative of h of s equals 3s minus 2s squared times 5 plus 4s, right? So this one I call f of s, and I call this one g of s, right? I have two different ways to do this one. The first way, I'm going to apply the formula right here, right? So it turns out to be f prime of s times g of s plus g prime of s times f of s, right? Now f prime of s, I check the derivative of this one. It turns out to be 3 minus 4s, right? And I will write g of s, it could be 5 plus 4s, right? Now plus check the derivative of the second one right here. It turns out to be 4 only, right? And then rewrite f of s, it could be 3s minus 2s squared, right? And then I'm going to distribute this one. It could be 15 plus 12s minus 20s minus 16s squared plus 12s minus 8s squared. And I'm going to simplify negative 16s and negative 8. It could be negative 24s squared. Now 12s is going to be 24. Subtract 20 is going to be plus 4s, right? And plus 15. This one is the final answer, right? Now the second way is I'm going to distribute this one, and then I'm going to check the derivative of a polynomial, right? So this guy turns out to be 15s plus 12s squared minus 10s squared minus 8s cubed, right? Then I'm going to simplify. It's going to be 15s plus 2s squared minus 8s cubed. Now I'm going to check the derivative. It's going to be h prime of s equals 15 plus 4s minus 24s squared. Alright, both ways give you the same answer, which is right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.